How long is it going to flash? Okay, now finally we're into video 2. Alright. So see how pretty this is. We're just doing a get ready with me and some openings of some things. Look how pretty her little eyes winking are. That rose gold and that kind of shimmery crimson color. Very, very pretty. Now this is called Stars in Your Eyes palette. And she always puts the ingredients in it, and she always has the name and what it's used for. Here is the palette. I haven't even looked at it. Oh, how pretty. Oh my gosh, it looks like Dorothy's red slippers on Wizard of Oz. They were like ruby. This is more ruby than crimson this time. It's still crimson, but it's got sparkles like it's ruby. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful packagings. See what I mean? Do you see what I mean? She always, never fails. Never fails. Number 1 is prime. Number 2 is enhanced. Number 3 is smoke. Prime, enhance. Oh, and you've got 3 colorways. So let me just take this off. Oh, look, and this says, you sound like Lassie. Brie is so cute. You have to see her. Hold on. Brie, come here. Come here. Come here. No, come here. Let's let everybody see how precious you are in every way. Now, just come here. Come here. Ah, she's heavy. She's my baby. Now, she always squints on camera because, oh, it's bright. Those lights are bright, aren't they? Aren't they? Are you my baby? You got a little eye boogie? Let me get that off. You're such a good girl. You're such a good... Oh, you still got the eye boogie. There. Did Mommy get it that time? There. Oh, is it stressing her out? I guess I'm going to need to put her down so she can play the ball. You want to play... Oh, Bree. You want to play the ball? Mommy will kick while she's talking to everyone. I love you. I love you. Where's the ball? I know y'all are like, Beth, we didn't come to watch you play with your dog. Yes, you did. Get it. Okay, so we were looking at how even the little cellophane thing she puts on top, she puts prime enhanced smoke. So what she's done here, I'm going to do it upside down so the mirror doesn't mess with you, but the first color, like there's the first color is the prime, and you put that all over your eye. Then enhance goes in the crease, and then smoke goes in the outer V and under the lashes. And so she's got 4 different color swatches, if you will. And you know, I'm not even trying to describe them because I would just say they go darker, cooler. There's some warm ones. There's some kind of peachy tone. You certainly can cross over the palettes. Like, you don't have to say, well, I can only use these 3 together. You could use that one and maybe that one and that one. I mean, you can, but the thing she's trying to teach you, because she is a makeup artist, the thing she's trying to teach you is how to use color and how to blend and to get your best look. Now, that's her opinion what best look is, but she is a world-renowned makeup artist, some of the greatest runway models in the world, actresses, you know, a lot of Hollywood, a lot of public people, public figures, if you will, famous public figures. I'm a public figure in that I'm engaging with the public, but there's famous ones. I'm famous with y'all. So anyway, there's that. So should I do that today? I should do the other. I think I can do the other. We'll save this. We'll do a Charlotte Tilbury face again. And so we'll save this. But again, you can see the little 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I don't know if y'all can see that she's got on there for you, just to make sure that you learn how. And that's a true makeup artist. A true makeup artist. Their love is teaching it. And so we will do that. I also got 2 more of these, you guys. I think I showed you in a vlog video, and I think I've uploaded it. And so I got my Old Faithful, my soft rose, which is like a kind of a woody rose. It's a brown rose, and it goes with almost everything. That's not what I've got on. This is Maybelline 24, and it's kind of a blue toned pink, but that's okay. And then I also got Strawberry Red, which is my red favorite go-to. And I do love the new packaging. It was round and now it's more square, and it just does remind me of the square quilts of Chanel bags, and that may be why they did it. But I love this. These are my go-to Chanel products. So, all right. So let's go ahead. Was there anything else I wanted to show y'all? Yeah, actually there is, because I got these and then I'll be wearing them. I got these in the mail. I'm wondering what they're going to be like. And I believe I've got these through Mod Lily. Is that what it's called? It's online. And it's Asian models. And the bad thing about that, if you're not a tiny person, is most Asian models are XX small. And I'm not exaggerating. They're extra, extra small. So you would have to order the double XL and hope you can get your right arm in it. I'm not kidding. The only bad thing I've noticed, I did not order this dress. Did I? Maybe I did. It's very cute. Okay, so this is an XL. That's really cute. Look at the sleeves, y'all. That's cute. See how that one's like stripes, but this one's not until the cuff. So that's kind of cool that it's asymmetrical. And this goes all the way down. That actually would be very cute with a pair of ankle boots, black ankle boots. But I probably would need to wear like black tights in the winter with that, so that it would, because my legs are so white and I don't tan, use tanners. So that's one. I like it. I guess I did order that now that I think of it, because I am trying to wear more dresses. My husband likes me to be in dresses. I don't like dresses because, I'll be honest, y'all tell me if this is how you feel about it. I'm fat, and so the fat between my legs rubs together in dresses, so I'm just going to get me some tight shorts that I can wear to me. And it will make me look tinier if I have on those little squeezy shorts. Those little, what are they called? Spandexy? Spanx? I don't know. Did I get two? I think this is a tunic. Yeah, that's a tunic. That's very cute. Okay, this is another XL. Here's the bad thing about it. It gets the collar so wide, it really kind of shows off this area, which isn't my prettiest area anymore. I got some little fatties here and some little skin tags. And crepey skin. You know what? I think at some point you just have to accept that you are what you are. I don't know. But anyway, this is interesting because look at all the colored patterns on here. All the different pieces of materials and patterns. Polka dots and kind of like, I don't know, jagged and floral. And look over here, there's lines on this sleeve. And then there's like this jaggedy color thing. And then there is the polka dotties and then the lines on the sleeves again. And it's super long. So you could wear this with actual, it's got the little handkerchief bottom. You could wear this with black leggings and some boots. That'd be cute. Ooh, and a blue purse. Because it's all got the bright blue. And y'all know I've got a blue coach I love. So I need to put my face on, don't I? Okay. I'll do it. There is one little, there it is. I was going to show y'all. This is something you can do. Okay. So I think what I wanted to do today was to use this, this little Too Faced, I forgot his name. It's a little doggy, but I don't really, I'm not a huge, there's times I'm a fan of Too Faced and there's times that I'm not. And sometimes I don't like the palette formulation. Sometimes I really don't care for the ads because they kind of promote things I don't agree with. And, you know, that's my right, just like it's their right. And so sometimes I feel like I don't want to promote them, and other times I feel like I enjoy their products. So, and I just want to be honest that I do. And so I don't know. I never want to be a hypocrite about it, but at the same time, I got to be real to who I am. And I think, you know, if they were just like staring me down, they'd say, yeah, you need to be real to who you are, girl. You know, I think that's what they'd say. But anyway, so I'm putting this kind of cream color, and I am going to kind of just wipe it over the whole lid. It smells like vanilla, like a lot of palettes are doing vanilla or chocolate smells because they realize that people do care about what something smells like when they put it on. So much so that some people do not want to smell and they require unscented. I'm not the unscented person. I'm the person that likes the smell. And I do like the smell of chocolate the best. Alright, now I'm going to use this kind of neutral caramel shade. And I'm using an F50 from Sigma. Hey, I got a new Sigma brush. Where's it at? Oh, I got another haul to do. It's downstairs. Oh, that's very caramel. But I like it. I'll need to blend that better, but just to lay it down, I like it. You know, I like to lay the color down and let it kind of set a minute, and then I may come back to it. What I would say to you is I really kind of dug in the palette, and I don't think I needed to. So this has got some real good coverage. And that's what I'm talking about. There's been some times where, like, I think it was the Beautiful one. What was it called? It was a really pretty palette. This one. A gorgeous color palette. But the coverage wasn't very good. It was like I had to do over and over. Now this is almost too much. Because maybe it's my application, but it's because I was expecting that it wouldn't have good coverage again, and it actually does have good coverage. Okay, so this is a very kind of orangey caramel, you know, and that is a really good neutral, I should say, not neutral necessarily, but a good transition color. Alright, so then I'm going to this dark color here, and it's kind of dark brown, dark. It's got a burgundy undertone to it as well, and it has sparkles on the top. I can't tell, does it have them all the way through? Let me see. It does seem to have them all the way through. That's not normally what I would want to put in this area, but at least it's not in the transition area, it's more in the crease. And so the only thing is about sparkles is it really highlights wrinkles, anything shimmery and sparkly. But as I'm blending this out, it looks like it is not doing that. So that's good. So I'm staying in the crease, very tight in the crease, and then just kind of bringing the outer V in a little bit. Just a little bit. And maybe to the 3/4 area. Yeah, that's a good color. This is so burgundy though. You could, instead of going these brown tones, you could do the cool tones and let that be your dark color. It's almost like a brown burgundy. Like a crimson. We've been talking about crimson with Charlotte Tilbury. And this is that same kind of a crimson, so that's a good color. I feel like for me, as one of my dark colors, you know, obviously black is a good dark color for anybody.